Hello everyone, welcome to my continuation lecture number 2 that is based on human nutrition. So today we will discuss about the general nutritional concept. So in general nutrition concepts, you should know about the influence of nutrition on your health, on your appearances, on your behavior and on your mood. So look at the role of nutrients in diet. You know, for your balanced diet, macro and micronutrients, both of them, they are required in a particular amount. So the role of nutrients in diet is growth and development. So it plays a very significant role in growth and development. It can also provide energy and it can also regulate your metabolism. Come to all the classes of nutrients. These are the different nutrients you can see here: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. You know, we have already talked about this topic in biochemistry about the micronutrients and macronutrients. So carbohydrates, proteins and fats, they are come under the category of macronutrients, and vitamins, minerals, that come under the category of micronutrients. Now the caloric contents of food. For example, carbohydrates, it will give you 4 calories energy per gram. So I mean that 1 gram of carbohydrate, it will provide you 4 calories energy, while 1 gram of protein, it will give you 4 calories per gram. While the fats, 1 gram of fats, it will provide you 9 calories per gram energy, while the alcohol, so 1 gram of alcohol, it contains 7 calories energy that is present in the food. So you should know about the different calories. Now come to all the types of carbohydrates. So types of carbohydrate, there are 2 types. One is simple and the second one is complex. So in simple, the pop, candy, sweets, fruits and individual glucose and fructose molecule, these are the classical example of simple carbohydrates, while in complex, pasta, rice, breads, potatoes, chain of glucose molecules. Look at the trend of carbohydrate consumptions. The trend in carbohydrate consumption, you can see here in 1910, the consumption of the carbohydrate, that is 65%, and the simple carbohydrate consumption is 35%. And then the simple carbohydrate consumption, that is 50% in 1950, and 50% of complex carbohydrate, while 55% of the simple carbohydrate and then 45%, that is the complex, in 1980. Come to all the types of protein. So the sources of protein, that is animal, which is complete, which especially the animal sources, that is meat and dairy, and the vegetables, which is incomplete, that is beans, nuts and legumes or grain. Types of amino acid, there are 2 types on the basis of diet. One is essential, the second one is non-essential. So the non-essential amino acid, they are 14 in number and it can be made by the body, while the essential, they are 8 in number. It cannot be synthesized in the body, but it can be given from outside environment. Look at the chain of the amino acid which is linked together. Now come toward the protein requirement. As we know that the protein requirement is recommended dietary intake. Recommended dietary intake average is 0.8 gram per kg per day, while the recommended dietary intake in athletes 1.2 to 1.6 gram per kg per day. So high level of protein